in my living room and we are going to change up some decor here. I'm going to decorate for Christmas. I am a huge fan of Scentsy warmers, so I have a lot of Christmas ones that I'm going to bring out. I have a little table I want to decorate with you guys, and I have the Christmas tree. So this is going to be a little tidy up as this room is kind of messy at the moment. So we're going to tidy this up and we are going to get all Christmassy. Might take you into my bathroom as well as my front hall with all the decor and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's jump into this. I've turned on my Christmas movie and I'm super excited to go and grab all the Christmas stuff. Alright, so I've brought up my Christmas stuff. I'm gonna wipe down the table. I'm gonna get everything in here kind of cleaned up, and then I'm going to start adding my little pieces. I have quite a few little pieces that I haven't put out previously, so I'm kind of excited for that. So let's jump in. Have you heard of Mrs. Meyers? Oh, so amazing. I've talked about it on my Instagram. However, this peppermint Mrs. Meyers all-purpose cleaner, it smells like candy canes. It smells so good. I actually used it this morning for my stove and I was just in love with the scent. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down my tables and everything else with this, but I just had to come and say that this stuff is phenomenal and you need to grab it if you can. I actually picked mine up from Amazon, so I'll have a link down below for where you can possibly grab one. I think there's a few other Christmassy scents, so if I can find those as well, I will post those down below. Deepest apologies, the lighting over here is not the greatest. Maybe that'll help. We're gonna situate this area. I am definitely gonna have two warmers up here. These two will be the best. I have, so here's the little snowman, there's my little Santa boots, and then I've got to figure out what else I am gonna do here. Thank you so much for watching this decorate/clean with me. I hope you enjoyed it. It was really fun. Had an amazing time decorating for Christmas, as one would. So I apologize for this lighting, but I thought sitting by the tree with the lovely blue light would be amazing, and it kind of is. So I'm going to go and enjoy my new atmosphere here and soak it all in while it's here. It's nice and warm inside, so I am so pumped. I have my candle lit. I have that candlelight ambiance, and it's just making me so happy. Let me know down below if you've tidied up and got your decorations out. What is your favorite decoration? I'm curious. I love Christmas decor. If you're following me on Instagram, feel free to tag me in any. I would love to see that. And remember, if you are a new subscriber here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It would mean the world to me, as well as that little bell, just so that you are notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, that concludes my video for today. I love you guys so very much. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon in my next video. Bye!